everybody, this is Nicole. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate you coming back. I am going to make my version of a sweet and sour chicken. I already started it because I just really kind of said, oh, let me video this real quick. This is almost like a tempura chicken. It's like a tempura chicken version. What makes it tempura-like is the batter. You can use a beer batter. In this case, I just used water, cornstarch, baking powder, egg, and water. I did say the water. So the ingredients are soy sauce, my ketchup, my white wine, and my special honey from Puerto Rico. That's for the sweet and sour sauce, which is right there. Okay, so it's just the 4-1 honey, white wine, ketchup, soy sauce. I'm going to take this chicken and I'm going to dip it in this batter, which is going to have it turn out, like I said, like a tempura type chicken. Stay tuned. I have a white rice that I made a couple days ago that I'm going to eat with this chicken, sweet and sour chicken. My plan was to make sweet and sour chicken with broccoli and rice, but I found peas and string beans. I decided to go with the peas with some pepper and some sweet mini pepper and some onion. And I'm going to toss a little garlic in here as well. You can put all the chicken in the batter at once, not all of it, but you can put a lot of chicken at once in the batter. It's a little messy because I'm using my hand this time and holding the camera. The next time I try this, I'm going to try it another way. I'm not going to make a batter, but I'm going to try it just like dry. So now you can pick up the chicken. And what I notice about the chicken is you don't have all that flour at the bottom of the pan like you do when you fry like regular dry chicken. You have pieces of flour instead of, you know, a whole bunch of flour at the bottom of the pan. So you just take them out because it's almost like a funnel cake type batter. Batter's batter. So you all know what batter is. So now that the fire is a little hotter, these will cook a little faster than the first batch. So you have to pay attention and watch them, as well as make sure that they're well done on the inside. Okay, so you just have to flip them. I would say flip them frequently. That way one side won't burn before it's done. Yep. So this is them halfway done. These are the one that's done. You can tell the lighter ones or the darker ones. They cook, like I said, turn them frequently. They don't take that long to cook. They're only little pieces of chicken size. I took the skin and the bone out because I thought I had regular skinless boneless chicken inside, but I didn't. So you always work with what you have. And that's the last flip that I'm going to do. I'm going to let these cook before I add them into the sauce. So and I have the rice under here. Alright, I added a little teeny bit of oil to the pan. I'm going to add my sweet and sour mixture to the pan. I'm adding the sweet and sour mixture to the pan, and I'm going to add the chicken to the pan. And I have to use my hands because I'm using the other hand for the camera. So all my beautiful crunchy tempura-like chicken is going into the sweet and sour mixture. I put it all in together. I put the vegetables in as well. Okay, I'm going to mix all this together. I apologize for not being able to really mix it and have the phone on it too. But what you do, I'm just, basically heated up the sauce, mixed it all together. Like I said, I wanted to use broccoli, but I'm using peas because that's what I had, and I chose the peas over the string beans. I do apologize for the camera movement. So that's my version of sweet and sour with a little bit of spice chicken. And I'm going to heat up some rice and lay it over a bed of rice. Okay, and guys, here's my version of my sweet and sour chicken with peas, sweet mini peppers or mini sweet peppers, and onion. If I had something like scallion in the house, I would definitely top that with scallion. Just something last minute, just another way that you can prepare chicken, because I knew that chicken can get boring. So just lots and lots of ways to prepare a chicken meal. And I topped it with a basmati rice, leftover rice. So this is my dinner for tonight. And I realized I didn't make enough sauce to make like a sauce, but I'm gonna enjoy it anyway. So guys, thank you for stopping by. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, hit your button so that you can be notified with each video to come. Again, thank you for stopping by. Take care of yourselves till next time. Bon appetit. Assalamu alaikum and goodbye.